the fish. Big old red horse. It's a nice fish. Nice fish. Get him back in the water here.
There he goes. Good
That's
job,
what we
Dave.
want. That's what we want. Well, let's get into some more of those, eh?
Right.
About an 18-inch walleye. Just got dark. Might be the last fish of the day, but it's a nice one. We'll let her go. Bring the camera over. All right, we got a dandy smallmouth. We're catching so many fish today. It's a big girl right there. She's got a belly on her, probably getting ready to spawn. Let her go right here.
Okay.
Look at that.
Let her go. There she goes. Keep it going.
Nice. We've got a monster red horse on. Look at that thing. That is a giant red horse sucker. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
Oh,
here's
yeah.
the fish. Big old red horse. That's a giant. I don't think I've ever seen one that big. Whoa,
Oh.
he's feisty. I'll get him back in right here. Put that on a musky rig.
And next to the wall. There it is.
Another red horse.
Another
A
red
little bit
horse.
smaller
Oh,
than
look
the
at
last one.
it. Oh,
Quite a bit smaller, I guess.
that's good right there. That's a nice fish.
Another red horse, though.
Pretty fish.
Yeah.
Muskie speed on those.
Oh, yeah.
That fattens them up, gets them bigger. Let's get it off.
The action is just non-stop today. Cats, walleyes, carp, red horse suckers, smallmouth, and a perch. Wisconsin River for you. We think we got another cat on here. Wrapping up today. We got a little time. Haven't seen it yet. Oh, there it is.
I think I saw it.
Yeah. Is it a cat? Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, so the walleye run is over. Now the smallies have officially started spawning. Second bass of the day. It's a dandy, probably a 15-incher, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sixth or seventh bass of the day right here. And in the background, we got another one on the line. At the end of the line. And that one's quite a bit bigger. Mine's a little guy. We'll get her back. We'll see this one.
Oh,
That's a dandy.
that is
That's a
dandy.
fatty.
That's the granddaddy.
Hmm.
Look at that baby.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's a chunk.
isn't it?
Yep, so these bass are just stacked up in here. It's one after another today.
Let him go for another day.
All right, we just got a dandy smallie on quite the Rapala. Look at this. Right there. Big smallie. Hoping a muskie was gonna bite that Rapala, but guess not. We'll take her. And we'll get her back in. There we go.